Bro, I got all rims and tires in my car. This is a safety hazard. I need a fucking truck ASAP. Alright. What's up, YouTube? This here Razor_6.4. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. As y'all can see, I'm at Discount Tire. I'm about to get my staggered setup installed. As you can see, I'm about to be running 305s rear, 275s front. On my Hellcat red eye replicas. I'm gonna open my door so I can show you guys that I was able to fit all this inside my car. You guys would be impressed. I got 4 wheels, 4 tires, all separate inside my car. Look. It's 1 rim, 1 tire, 2 tires over there as you guys can see. 305 in back, 2 75s in the rear, and 1 305 in the front. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all this rim I got in the front. Look, bam. The driver had the rim up here in the middle. Then I got the 2 wheels over there. So I'm at Discount to get my wheels installed. I'm gonna keep y'all updated and I'm gonna record them installing the wheels. Hey YouTube, I'm at Discount and I'm gonna drive through the front. It's my turn. I'm gonna record, hit y'all up. Tell YouTube, I'm gonna have to make that music. But look at all them tires at Discount Tire got up there, bro. They got a whole warehouse of tires, but I'm gonna have to mute this music up for them to copyright it. But they balancing my wheels and they about to mount them. And that's one of them right there by the car. But yo, y'all, stay put. Yo, look at that 305. That thing is big as shit. Now, like I said, I'm gonna have to mute this music that they're gonna copyright me. Look at that. That's huge, man. That's crazy fat. YouTube won't copyright me, but I'm going to mute it. But there y'all go, man. Watch the process. You versus the dude she told you not to worry about. You should be worried now. You should be worried. You should be worried. You feel me? You should be worried. What's up, YouTube? I finally got home from Discount Tire. 275s on the front and 305s on the rear. No rubbing at all. As you can see the clearance, no rubbing. As you can see, I can feel back here. Lots of hand room. Lots of hand room and no rubbing at the top either. This just from the ground, but it's real tight like in here in the front. But no rubbing at all. When I can turn without it touching. So it's real, low in the front. Then I got the back. Got the 305s. I got what did they smear something on my wheels. Yeah, I gotta clean that, wipe that off. But I got room back here in the back too. I'm going under the car to show y'all that I don't have. It's real tight back here in the back, but it doesn't rub. Back here, I can put like my finger back here and I got room. All clearance on the top. What you really want to focus on is the inner fender wall. So with the 315s, they tend to rub against here. I put my hand back here. Lots of hand space. You can see my hand back here. See? Look at how thick my hand is. That's how much space I got. All the way back here, put it down easily. Back here, I got wood space. I can even go back here to show you that I'm not rubbing. Go under the car and show y'all. 315s too big. That's why I went 305s, because with 315s, you don't need a spacer. So as you can see, guys, back here, let me focus the camera. It's not rubbing, nothing is rubbing back here. No rubbing at all, man. But yeah, no rubbing at all on my 305s. Everything's got room. So it's gonna rub, so it'll rub if you lower it, cause then it'll be on top of here. But you don't want to lower it. It's already, the scatpack already sit low. No, plenty of room here. Room in here too. It's real tight. We got space between my finger and the inner wall. No rubbing. 305s is the perfect size. 315s kind of pushing it, so you might want to get some 3mm spacers for 315s. 305s, you won't need it. Check out the rear tires, way bigger, way wider. Then your average 245. I would go in the house and get a 245 and match it up with the 305 to show y'all how much bigger the 305 is. You know, Discount Tire charged me $175. They told me I can go get a rotation anytime from them. Anytime I put my square set up, I can get a rotation with these. It ain't no rotation, but got the lifetime warranty and all that stuff through them, you know. But yeah, this is the end result. Let me know how y'all like it. 275 front, 305 rear. They charge for $175 to do everything, to balance them, to mount them. You know, these are wheel weights right here. But yeah, they gave me black wheel weights, y'all, not the gray ones. How cool is that? How cool is that, y'all? They match. How cool is that? You know, so yeah, beating 392 stuff, man. That's how we do it. And I literally was able to fit all these. Y'all watch the video, y'all see how I fit them all in here. I wasn't really too worried about getting the back dirty because I'm about to get this interior done. I'm about to get the red leather, so it won't stop here. And I'm not doing this for YouTube. This is a hobby that I have always been enjoying. This is my Dodge Adventure. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe, like, comment. And they do stick out from the side a little, but not a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? So you might, you know, rocks and stuff might tend to, you know, pop on the car. So yeah, they do pop out, but not as much as 315s pop out. You know, but it all depends on the tire. Nothing against the 315s. You just gotta really, you pushing it with 315s. You really pushing it. They didn't take the stick off my doggone wheels. It's all good. I'm gonna take this off right for y'all. Yeah, I gotta get this off, y'all, but hold on, y'all.